Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap the gear icon to open the settings. Go to Account Center, scroll down, and select Personal Details. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control and choose Deactivation or Deletion. Pick your Facebook account. Select Deactivate Account and tap Continue. Enter your password. Finally, choose a reason for deactivation and decide if you want Facebook to automatically reactivate your account after a certain period. And that's it. Now you know how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.